Looky here. This little deer is out here like it's nobody else's business. This is what happens when you in the country, right? It's like we are cohabitating. Oh, look at this little bunny. No, I'm fucking really nature. I'm on a university campus. Maybe because this is what's around us, right? Look here. The sun is glaring, but oh my god. I'm trying to get low below the sun so it's not blocking my view. What a whole bunny right there and a deer. And I'm like, what else? What other animal gonna come out here? Let me get to my car.